Mm-hmm. I don't need them anyways.
Hold everybody else back. Watch out, we gotta get him. It's just such a big horse. I'm not meant for this rugged lifestyle. Trees. Ugh.
Whee!
It's a little different when you're driving the Ranger or quad.
Yeah. Keep your hands and arms, hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
Oh, it sounds like we work at an amusement park.
Hang on and enjoy the ride.
You might hit a couple trees here and there, but you'll be fine.
Don't have to get right up on the trees, Dixie.
Okay, that's a close call to that tree.
Yeah, I'm like, why? Why must you insist?
We're gonna come up here actually, so we don't have a chance.
It's a good thing I'm flexible. Fuck. God. You're being an asshole right now. A real mare. All this space and you want to be right up next to the damn tree. All this space.
My shoulder.
Well, we made it to the top of the mountain. We are on Bighorn. And getting up here was a fucking adventure. They said it was steep. They were not kidding. And we went through some pretty sketch areas, but it was actually really cool. It was a cool experience. I could have gone through like the easy trail, but I mean, what kind of adventure would it be if it was easy, right? So the cows are down there. They're down there somewhere in the creek, and we are resting. This is our camp, I think, for the night, as far as I'm concerned. I should have brought my hammock, but I'm stupid and I don't plan ahead. Oh, that's a massive grasshopper. Look at this guy. Oh, where'd he go? There, look at that. A fucking monster of a pug. Wow. So, yeah. It's been a very, very fun adventure, and can't wait to see what goes on tomorrow. But I think I'm going to sleep outside under the stars because our sleeping quarters are very cramped. I will show you here in a second. But over there, that's where the food's gonna be. Horses over there grazing. And here's everyone else, just hanging out. Woo! Everyone's gonna be tired of my GoPro. So this is our bunk area. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 sleeping areas. Yeah, it's cramped in here. I do not like it cramped. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep outside. John's gotta go back down the mountain to push that cow way down there back to the group. He said this is a normal thing. They like to, it's like a game that they play for like half the day. The cows keep wanting to come back up. So they have to keep jumping back on the horse and pushing them back down. And I was like, yeah, this is why we eat cows. Frustrating. That one. Cowboy life. So, we got up to our, I guess, stopping point today at about 10 o'clock or so, 10:30. And we literally don't have fuck else to do for the rest of the day. So this is all I've been doing. I've been sitting here, I've been eating junk food, and I just started drinking. I've got some whiskey on the rocks. Normally I don't like my whiskey on the rocks, but it's kind of hot. Not really hot, but it's a little warm for whiskey straight, so I'll put it on the rocks. I say warm as I'm sitting here wearing a fucking hoodie. There's a steady breeze, and if it wasn't for the breeze, it wouldn't be chilly. So there's that. Let's see. Where's my battery? What's my battery look like? Anyway, so we've got camp set up. Everyone's over there congregated, or they're back here behind the bunk. My tent is back there. I took a nap earlier. I can leave it. And the horses are nosing around. So, yeah. It's been a very eventful day. Well, up until we got to this point. It's been very eventful. Cows make me angry. So angry. Forgot how fucking frustrating they are. That's okay, that's why I drink alcohol. And then we got this lone horse out here. He's kind of tied up right now, so he doesn't wander off too much. And then Ruben's meandering that way. We've got Xander way up there on the hill. I think they had to do something with the cows. Okay, this is Wyoming. We are on Bighorn Mountain. It's very mountainy, mountainy, hilly, rocky, tree, lots of trees. Lots of space. There's a lot of fucking space. But I don't think we're gonna be able to do a fire pit tonight because they have a fire effect thing because it's been so dry up here. So that kind of sucks. But I have a headlamp and I'm okay with that. So yeah, recap of my day so far. It's been good. Well, I mean, my entire week up here has been amazing. I've met some amazing people, and they leave Sunday, which makes me sad actually because we all became really close. You know, it's a small group. There's 8 of us. There's a family of 4, a mother, a daughter, and then there's Ruben. There's 2 singles, me, and then Ruben. So just kind of sitting here relaxing, enjoying my vacation, I guess, until the 18th. The 18th I come back to Florida. And honestly, I kind of don't even want to. Fuck Florida. I'm just kidding. I love Florida. Florida's always going to be my home. But you can damn sure bet that I will be back to Wyoming and any other hilly area that involves horses and cows. Or, you know, just horses. I'm riding up the mountains. I don't give a fuck. I'm not scared. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. You guys can fuck off. Bye.